Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money online in 2023. With the digital landscape expanding rapidly, there are more opportunities than ever before. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or pursue a full-time online career, we've got you covered. But hold on tight, because we're about to explore the easiest ways to make money online. Whether you're a creative soul, a savvy entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, we've compiled a list of strategies that fit every skill set and commitment level. So, let's buckle up and discover the virtual highway to financial freedom. Whether you're a tech genius, a marketing guru, or just someone with passion and dedication, there's a lane for you in the online money-making journey. What's the easiest way to make money online in 2023? There are many ways to make money online, but most of them require some level of skill, effort, or time. Here are a few options that you may consider, depending on your interests and resources. 1. Start a YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating videos and have a unique perspective or talent to share, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize your videos through advertising and sponsorships. 2. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral. This can be done through a blog, social media, or a website dedicated to a specific niche. 3. Sell digital or physical goods on e-commerce platforms. There are many e-commerce platforms, like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon, where you can set up an online store and sell physical or digital products. This can be a good option if you have a product or products that you want to sell to a large audience. 4. Do freelance work. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. This can include things like writing, design, programming, or social media management. 5. Participate in online surveys or focus groups. There are many companies and organizations that are willing to pay for consumer opinions and feedback. You can participate in online surveys or focus groups to earn some extra money. 6. Rent out a room on Airbnb. If you have a spare room in your home or apartment, you can list it on Airbnb and earn money by renting it out to travelers. This can be a good way to earn some extra money, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. 7. Sell items on consignment. If you have gently used items that you no longer need or want, you can sell them on consignment. This means that you give the items to a store or online marketplace, and they sell the items for you. You receive a percentage of the sale price when the item sells. 8. Start a blog. Blogging can be a fun and rewarding way to share your thoughts, experiences, and interests with a wide audience. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, or by selling products or services. 9. Invest in the stock market. If you have some money to invest, you can try your hand at the stock market. There are many online platforms that make it easy to buy and sell stocks, and with some research and careful planning, you may be able to earn a decent return on your investment. 10. Sell products or services. If you have a talent or skill that you can offer to others, you can create a business by selling your products or services online. This can include things like handmade crafts, digital products like ebooks or online courses, or services like web design or social media management. It's important to note that while there are many ways to make money online, most of them require some level of effort and commitment. It's unlikely that you will be able to make a significant amount of money without putting in some work.